Anthropic just dropped a study on how AI could affect jobs and labor market, and the results are more surprising than people think. What makes the study interesting is how they conducted. Most reports about AI and jobs are based on predictions. Researchers look at job descriptions and guess what AI might automate someday. But Anthropic did something very different. They analyzed real Claude usage data and mapped it across 800 different occupations. So instead of asking what AI could do theoretically, they asked a more practical question. What are people actually using AI for at work today? And here is what they found. Computer programmers sit right at the top with about 75% of their tasks already supported by AI. Customer service representatives follow a close second of 70%. Then data entry kiosks and medical record specialists are at 67%. Then market research analysts come in at 65%. Then we have the sales reps at around 63%, financial analysts around 57%, and software QA around 52%. Then we have the information security analysts close to 49% and computer support specialist around 47%. Now, one of the most surprising insights from this study is this. The jobs most exposed to AI right now tend to be more educated, higher paid, and disproportionately female. So the first wave of impact is not factory jobs. It is going to be knowledge work. But here is the twist. Despite those numbers, unemployment in those roles have not increased yet. Companies are not massively cutting these jobs yet. Instead, what they're doing is slowing down hiring, especially for workers aged around 22 to 25 years old. So the first place where the pressure is showing up is entry-level roles. And honestly, this aligns with what I'm seeing across in the industry. Teams are not disappearing, but smaller teams with AI tools can now do work that previously required more people. There is another number from the study which I think is even more important. Even in the most exposed fields, AI currently covers only about 33% of computer and math tasks. So there is still a large gap between what AI can do and what companies are actually using it for. And that gap will likely close over time. So the real question is, what should people do about this? Here are a few practical things that I would recommend. Firstly, learn how to work with AI tools efficiently. Your productivity will increasingly depend on how well you collaborate with these systems. It is very critical for you to become AI native. Second, focus on higher level thinking. AI can generate drafts, write boilerplate code, and summarize information. But humans still lead when it comes to problem framing and decision making. And third, build AI literacy. You do not need to become a ML researcher, but understanding how these systems work will give you a major advantage. The takeaway from the study is very simple. AI is not replacing the entire professions right now, but it is changing how work gets done. And the people who learn how to use it as a leverage will be the ones who benefit the most.